sometimes you want to add bullets or numbers to information that's in your text to make it stand out. One thing to keep in mind when you're doing bullets or you're doing numbers is if the order is important, you do numbers, because you would do step 1, then step 2, then step 3, etc. If the order is not important, then you can use bullets. If we scroll down here and we're looking at the information we have for the 3-day add-ons, and they could choose one, then they need to choose option 1, 2, or 3. So you need to put that in numbers because it matters. So what we would do is highlight our text, and you would click on your number icon, and you would have numbers. If you decided to add another option, you would press enter and the number would automatically come up. If you changed your mind and didn't want that number in there, then you could just backspace it out. In this next grouping of a list, the order doesn't matter. These people have to do these things. They have to get a valid entry, they have to get vaccinations, they have to get travel insurance, and they have to get a medical exam. There is no numbering system in there, so you can use bullets at that point. So we can highlight our text, and we can click on our bullet icon, and we get the little dots. If we wanted to choose something different, you can click on the drop down arrow, and you could use something from this bullet library, or you could define a new bullet. If we go to define a new bullet, you look for your symbols or your pictures, and let's say we want to look at our wingdings, which is a different type of font where you can see some different options there. But let's say we want to choose this symbol right here. Then I click on that and tell it OK. And when I click OK, my symbol changes. So you can very easily change your symbols. You can also do the same thing with your numbers if you click on the drop down arrow if you wanted to choose ABC instead of 1, 2, 3. But that is the way you set up your bullets and you set up your numbering.